The next question is, does Opennetworks provide training on Google Cloud? Yes, definitely. One of our clients, we actually created a whole system for them. We created a script that uploaded their data, created the reports they needed, and through BigQuery, and then we actually skilled up their BI team to take it over and take it further.
One thing to know about Opennetworks is we partner with our customers. We are not like a general consultancy where we quote, deliver and disappear. We partner, maintain, and follow our customers' journey to their success. We're always there. We're always asking. We're always inquiring how the data is affecting, and have you learned and have you adjusted to new data standards? So one thing to know is the kind of service Google that Opennetworks offers through the Google Cloud Platform, and it can actually be agnostic, is it's a journey that we want to go on with a customer. If you need training, we would train you on what we've done for you and what we can do for you. A lot of organizations don't realize the tools that are at their disposal. And a lot of our jobs are to make people aware that some complex actions don't need to be that complex. By architecting simplicity in ingesting data or pipeline tools to obtain the data, we tend to take a lot of the manual process and a lot of the stress out of the knowledge and the knowledge sets that are on hand.